Hello, good afternoon, Sir Mofit and friends. On this occasion, we from Group 9 had the opportunity to present the result of our discussion through video recording. Next, in this presentation, we will discuss about biological control, its agent, namely fungi and bacteria. Next. Next. For members of our discussion group consists of number 1 is Ari Winanto Ginting, study number 216. Number 2 is Sukma Melati with study number 210. Number 3, Bintang Prakosejati with study number 290. Number 4 is Reza Haiber M for study number 222.
Okay, first, pests. Pests are plant-disturbing organisms that are considered harmful from a plant production perspective. The definition of a pest does not have to be related to its control in a low insect population, so that the losses suffered by plant are small. The insects are still called insect pests, but do not require a control strategy. So the problem of insect in agriculture cannot be separated from the role of insect as pests. Apart from being a plant pest, several groups and types of insect can be carriers of vector of plant disease in the form of viruses or fungi.
Pest control is a step taken with the aim of controlling pest attack so that production loss can be minimized. Next. The existence of pests in cultivation practice can never be realized. The existence of this organism is important concern. At this time, the use of pesticide was carried out and on a large scale and even on a scheduled basis. The previous control that paid attention to the biology of the pest was completely abandoned, and the farmer just want their crops to be free of pests. The failure to control pests using conventional create a new perspective, namely integrated pest manager, which aim to combine several technologies to control pests. Over time, IPM technology was developed into an ecological IPM that is more directed to the ecosystem management.
Biological control is a use of microorganisms that aim to control plant pest organism or OPT. Next. Biological control can also be referred to as the control of plant pest organism or OPD by natural enemies or biological control agent. But it can also be called controlling plant disease and pests by biological means, namely by utilizing natural enemies. In this case, the natural enemies are used while the people who use or take advantage of are human. This means that there is human intervention in every biological control. Biological control is strongly motivated by various basic knowledge of ecology, especially the theory of population regulation by natural controlling agent and ecosystem balance. The pest population increase while environmental conditions do not provide opportunities for natural enemies. Types of biological control. There are three approaches that can be taken, namely introduction, augmentation, and conservation. Number one is introduction, carried out by importing or entering natural enemies from other countries. The introduction of natural enemies is carried out if the pest to be controlled is an exotic pest organism from another country or another place. However, at this time, it is possible to introduce natural enemies to control native or local pests. Number two is augmentation. This is done by adding natural enemies through release. Augmentation is done when the natural enemy is not effective enough or not effective at a certain time. Augmentation aims to increase the ability of natural enemies to control pests. Number three is conservation. It's an attempt to take advantage of natural enemies that already exist in the field or crops by manipulating the environment in such a way that its role in suppressing pest population can be increased. Environmental manipulation can be done by developing suitable farming techniques, providing feed, resources for natural enemies, alternative hosts, synchronizing the phenology of pests and natural enemies, controlling biological competitors, modifying farming practice, and reducing disturbance and death of natural enemies. Natural enemies often prefer a different habitat than the staple crop being cultivated.
Next, difference between natural control and biological control. Natural control is a control without a human intervention, and biological control is with human intervention. Next. In a natural environment without human intervention, all kind of living thing will always be under pressure by other living thing and by environmental factor. This pressure can also be referred as natural control because humans don't play an active role in the controlling of it. Factors that play a role in natural control will prevent most living things from becoming pests. Natural control is supported by two main components, namely abiotic and biotic environment factor. Next. The use of natural enemies by humans to control these pests is known as biological control. So the difference between biological control and natural control is lies in the active role of humans using natural enemies, predator, parasitoids, pathogen, and competitors. In controlling pests, natural enemies are living organisms that prey on or ride on pests are concerned the enemy's pests found in nature. This is different from the competitor or the competitors. Practically, natural enemies in controlling pests are divided into A, predator, second is parasitoids, C, pathogens, and D, natural enemy of weeds. Next. Pathogen, fungi, and bacteria. Pathogen are group of microorganisms that live on or in a body of pests and cause disease. Several types of microorganisms that cause pest disease can also be referred to as natural enemy of the pest.
Okay, next, fungi. Fungi are small organisms, generally microscopic, eukaryotic, in the form of filament or clear branch, produce spores, do not have chlorophyll, and have cells wall that contain chitin, cellulose, or both. Habitat is a place that has source of nutrient, food ingredient for a suitable place fungal growth. Source of this nutrient can be in the form of carbohydrate, fats, proteins, and other compounds. Therefore, since soil, water, food, animal, plants to human on average are suitable as a place to grow and develop fungi, the presence of mold on a substrate may be normal, which means it is always present, but it may be transient or temporary caused by outside influence. The external influence in questions are, among others, the addition of other materials carried by animal or carried with equipment and other object. Symptoms of attack by fungi or fungi are dry rot. This is different from the symptom or bacterial attack, which are generally wet rot. Some group of fungi have typical symptoms, including 1. Order Entomorphorales, class Phycomycetes, which is mold attacker insect. From class this, there is a number of the order members called cause disease, that is Mucorales, Blastodiales, and Citridiales. Second, order Entomophoraceae, class Phycomycetes, for example, Empusa muscae con, who become parasitic on fly Muscidae, Cervidae, and fly other. Entomophoraceae grilli or fresh attack member the orders Lepidoptera and Orthoptera. Entomophoraceae plusin on larvae Noctuidae. Three order plus Blastocladiales of this order are important members of the Coelomyceraceae tribe. Most are fungi that parasitize mosquito larvae in the water or aquatic insect. Coelomyces are known to attack Aedes, Anopheles, Culex, and Saurophorm. Examples of the genus Myophagous uoranisus are known in the larvae of Coleoptera and Diptera, as well as in plant aphids in Bermuda, Canada, England, and the United States. A class Ascomycotes. Almost all of the Cordyceps family have insect hosts. The attack of the Cordyceps fungus is easily recognized because it forms spores and fruiting bodies that are strikingly colored. Some are red, black, green, or white, which sum out the insect's body. Most of these fungi attack the pupal and adult stage, but sometimes also in the larval stage. This fungus is often found in insects of the order Hemiptera, Diptera, Lepidoptera, Hymenoptera, and Orthoptera. Cordyceps purpus. B. Group Muscardine. Say muscardine originated from language French, which means sugar, which is very famous, is malt sugar white color. But muscardine on caterpillar silk that is Beauverie bassiana or balls. The could found also in other Lepidoptera, as on borer corn is Ostrinia nubilis in Europe and Ostrinis purnacalis in Indonesia. Example are the red muscardine, that is Saurosporella uvula, who attack Cleonus and Buxonaps, and will cause the larvae that colored red guava. Muscardine red, many found on Coleoptera larvae, for example, Spicaria javanica belli and Botrytis stepanoderes attack Celeborus and Stepnadores on puffy.
Bacteria are unicellular living things, generally do not contain chlorophyll. Some and bacteria have a small size where its cell can only be seen with the aid of a microscope.
Bacteria generally have size cell 0.5 until 1.0 meter times 2.0 until 5.0 m, and consists from 3 form base that is formed round or cosy, form stem or bacillus, form spiral. Bacteria grouped according to variation morphology and variation biochemistry. Identification bacteria could done with two methods, could by morphology or by physiology. Identification, which done by morphology, could cover form colony, structure colony, form cell, size cell, and coloring bacteria. Observation morphology then called shared again to that. Next. Safety microscopic done with method observe microorganisms on parts which appear and coexist with a naked, as form colony, escape colony, elevation colony, and surface colony. Whereas observation microscopic used on movement, one to observe movement. And division by binary observer form and size cell which in moment experience fixation hot as well as during process coloring result in a number of change. Observation by physiological done with test biochemistry. Observation physiology done with method testing metal rate, testing for gas pass score, testing oxidase, testing proteases, and others. Next. Example of bacteria is Bacillus populin-ducti and Bacillus lentimorbus, which is bacteria made on in Japan, or Populin japonicum, Bacillus eulomaraceae on Heteronicus santae helenae, which you are welcome attack larvae with shapes spora, especially on esophagus, then spread on part other and cause decay on cell very larvae. The next is bacterial Bacillus bombicea. First time is known on caterpillar silk, Bacillus cereus on larvae and have host which many. Bacillus thuringiensis taken from name city small in German, that is Thuringia. And first time is known on caterpillar Anagasta when Niella. Bacillus thuringiensis called reproduced in factory as thuricide, which is insecticide experienced in form of Sporobacillus thuringiensis or BT. Insecticide is called used from control caterpillar on vegetable and fruit. This is which caused by bacteria with cold sharp crystal which forms and happen on time formation spora. Next. Next. Okay, we have explained the result of the discussion. And if after watching this presentation you have a question, suggestion, or criticism, please submit them to the discussion forum at the spider section on group 9, biological control with fungal and bacterial agent. Thank you.